Hi friends, welcome to Backpacker channel. This time my video about the world's top 5 highest mountains. The top 5 highest mountains are: number 1, Mount Everest, 8,848 meters above sea level.
I thought it was 7,000.
It is located on the border between Nepal and Tibet.
Something? That's high. Mount
Number
Everest.
2, Mount K2. K2 is the second highest mountain on the earth after Mount Everest at 8,611 meters above sea level. It is located on the China-Pakistan border between Balistan. Number 3, Mount Kanchenjunga.
So guys, Mount Everest is 8,000 and something feet. Like, how high is that?
Really is up in the clouds.
It's up in the clouds?
Yeah.
What the heck?
Yeah.
It's up in the clouds. Like, who can't even get up there? How did people even try to climb up there?
Yep.
It's so frozen that
There's frozen bodies up there too.
you can freeze up there. It's so dangerous.
Yeah.
Man,
And
dangerous mountain.
and they want to climb.
Kanchenjunga, 8,586 meters.
8,588 meters?
And it's located partly in Nepal and partly in Sikkim, India. Number 4, Mount Lhotse. Lhotse, 8,516 meters, is the fourth highest mountain in the world. It is located in the Khumbu region in Nepal.
The mountains are very high, guys. Like, look. How can you even climb up there so high? And how does it even get snow on there to stay for the rest of the year? That's pretty cool. Who knows that? That's science right there. Even history. Let's keep going.
Number 5, Mount Makalu. Makalu, 8,485
I thought it
meters,
was
is the
Kilimanjaro.
6th highest mountain in the world. It is located 19 kilometers southeast of Mount Everest on the border between Nepal and Tibet. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe this channel. You can follow me on Facebook, type www.facebook.com/backpackers247.
I thought it was Mount Kilimanjaro too. Did he say Kilimanjaro?
Yeah.
Because that's one of the highest ones too. In Europe, maybe Asia. Like, what the heck?
Yeah.
The mountains are so high. Some people even got to the top, but you know, there's frozen bodies up there and everything. It's just so high of trash that you can't even understand what's really going on up there, because you never got to see it in real life. Like, I've never got to see it. My dad's never got to see it because this is in a different country. So who knows where Mount Everest is even located? It can be in Asia or Europe, you never know. So mountains, top 5 mountains in the world. So you never know. So we're going to talk about some more mountains. I'm going to find Mount Kilimanjaro.
This is the checkers game
Come on,
where
Dad,
grandson
stop
and
bothering
granddad
me.
will bond.
Who, me?
Is an ad.
This is the
The nation of Tanzania in Africa contains a number of interesting and unusual volcanoes. For example, the volcano Oldianulangai, which erupts
got
black
it on
water-like lava,
darn
which then
big screen.
crystallizes as a white color. Or Mount Meru, which has an impressive crescent-shaped caldera on its eastern side. However, neither of these are as old or large as the volcano which contains the highest point in Africa. The volcano I am referring to is Mount Kilimanjaro, which is 100 kilometers long and 65 kilometers wide. Although this volcano could best be classified as dormant, there is active magma present only 400 meters beneath its summit.
Like, if you literally fall in that volcano and you start getting wounds, you're gonna be like, darn it, because really you have to stay far, far away, because volcanoes are very hot, guys. Who knows? Don't want to test it out, right? Because the darn mountains be like this darn high. Some will be like this high. That high, that high. You know, there's all different kinds of sizes. There's some that's 2,000 feet, 8,000 and something feet, almost 9,000. So who knows how high that is? Only you can study it by knowing it, but I mean, how hot is the volcano? Maybe they'll tell us. Okay guys, let's play it.
As such, it could only be a matter of time before this volcano erupts once again. This video will discuss this fascinating volcano and mention what its future hazards are. Mount Kilimanjaro is located in northeast Tanzania, where part of its volcanic complex straddles the border with Kenya. Despite common belief, Kilimanjaro is not actually a shield volcano. Despite its massive size, Kilimanjaro is in fact best classified as a stratovolcano.
I think that's
If
in
you look
Africa.
at Kilimanjaro from the angle, you can see that this volcano has 3 distinct regional high points. These high points are all individual volcanic cones which are nested on top of one another. These cones are all oriented in an east-southeast direction, which represents a regional weak spot in the crust. The westernmost volcanic cone is known as Shira and was the first to begin forming when it began erupting 2.5 million years ago. The eruptions which occurred at Shira could best be compared to those at Mount Fuji. Its eruptions were moderately explosive, and the lava which built this cone had the composition of basalt. As a result, the slopes of this volcanic cone grew to be gentler than most stratovolcanoes, averaging around 10 degrees. By 1.9 million years ago, Shira had grown to an impressive height of 4,500 meters. Then, during the waning lifespan of this cone, a large volume of lava erupted at once on the flanks of the volcano. This strained the underlying magma chamber, causing it to collapse and form a large caldera. The creation of this caldera caused the cone to lose about 800 meters in height. For the next 900,000 years, no additional eruptions occurred. Then, 1 million years ago, a new volcanic cone emerged from the ground 16 kilometers to the east of Shira. This cone, known as Kibo, subsequently started erupting in a similarly explosive manner to the previous cone. After 50,000 years of eruptions, a third volcanic cone to the east began concurrently erupting with Kibo. Eventually, this cone, which was called Mazweni, became the dominant of the two active vents. Over the subsequent period of several 100,000 years, erupted material from these two cones piled on top of one another, forming a very tall volcanic complex. Then, 448,000 years ago, Mazweni erupted for the last time. As explosive eruptions at Kibo continued, it eventually became tall enough that a permanent glacier began forming on its summit. As a result, many subsequent eruptions melted a portion of these glaciers, generating mud flows referred to.
It was a glacier, guys. Who knows about glaciers? I mean, it's such a bunch ice packed together and it's very hard. Glaciers are dangerous.
Referred to as lahars. By 200,000 years ago, Kibo was 6,400 meters tall. However, at depth, magma began flowing to the east and west along the regional weak spot in the crust. This severely drained Kibo's magma chamber, causing the volcano to collapse and lose 500 meters in elevation. Over the next several thousand years, the remaining lava erupted on the flanks of the volcano, forming more than 200 small cinder cones and tuff rings. Since 150,000 years ago, no additional eruptions have occurred. Today, Kilimanjaro stands at 5,881 meters in height. Although it has
Wow.
not erupted in a long time, the summit of Kibo occasionally contains a series of active fumaroles which vent volcanic gas hinting at magma not far beneath the surface. As such, the odds of Kilimanjaro erupting anytime soon are relatively low at about 1 in 50,000 each year. Kilimanjaro will erupt again, but it will likely be a long time before it does. When Kilimanjaro does erupt again, its main threat will be long-distance lava flows which could travel more than 30 kilometers from an erupting vent.
What the heck?
I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you would like to request a specific topic, please leave a comment below. Additionally, if you wish to support this channel, consider becoming a Patreon.
We're
Wow.
calling these the new billion-dollar solar panels. They're a new generation of super powerful solar panels that was
Okay, guys. So, Kilimanjaro is one of the highest too, but also erupts a volcano. Now, volcanoes are like magma and it comes up out of the ground and it's like fire and rock that melts rock. So yes, it is very hot. I think it's about maybe 8,000 degrees, 8,858 degrees. Okay guys, hope you enjoyed my video and see you later. Okay, bye bye.